Alright, good afternoon everyone. We are Team 2D3S and today we'd like to point to one story, the Chinatown story. Okay, so evidently as we can see from the STB statistics, we can derive that more than 60% of the tourists are actually tech savvy. And actually we can actually say that in the current market, there are actually current apps or even games to sort of generate and sustain interest. But as we can see from the following statistics, they have apparently failed to sustain the interest as only 90% of the visitors who came before will actually come again. So what's the problem here? We actually came up with the reason that people actually don't care. People can't actually relate to the heritage emotionally. So our objective as 2D3S is to bring an interactive storytelling experience to the user to generate and most importantly sustain the interest in heritage.
So let's move on to a live demo. Okay, so this is actually a presence awareness kiosk in Chinatown right now. As you can see, as he moves forward, the participant, the kiosk actually mimics his movements and it simulates that interaction and intrigue. So as the kiosk detects the person, he actually asks him to come nearer to talk to him. Using simple inputs, he just has to nod and shake his head to tell the kiosk to continue or stop. So he's interested, and the kiosk is telling him more about, small talk, stories that happened previously, make you interested, make you emotionally invested.
I'm kind of bored now.
So let's say he's bored. He will actually shake his head to stop the experience. And what happens is a QR sticker is actually printed and given to the user. So his whole trail depends on what markers he go next is detected. And the stories that come from those markers will build on this story to give him the big story. So let's move on. This is actually our mock-up, what you actually look like on Chinatown streets. So next, what we are going to do is using 3 components, which is depth perception, QR coding, and interactivity. Depth perception uses Kinect so that when you point, let's say, what about this place? What about this place? It actually can tell you more about what this was, more things to do there, and things that are interesting in general. QR coding allows you to track your basis and your story, something like a save game kind of structure. For interactivity, we are planning on putting scent in meters so that it actually shows you and makes people more involved on what it smells like, what it feels like, that kind of experience. So all in all, what we want to do is, bottom-up approach. Using people and characters from the 1960s, we build up the whole story, the Chinatown story from all their actual conversations. Thank you, and let's make Chinatown the Chinatown.